Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me? Just let me know if you're able to hear me. Good afternoon, Achim. Thank you for joining. Perfect. Marco, thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Good afternoon, Niels. Good afternoon, Svenja. Good afternoon, Jasper. Frank. Good afternoon. Thank you. Good afternoon, Marco. And to the rest of you in the live room, good afternoon, Chris, Gerhard, Jared, James, Kelfa, Peter, Frank, Isaac, Joachim, Niels, Praveen, Ruth, Susan, and Svenja again. Thank you all for joining, and welcome to everyone currently watching through our live stream channels. I hope everyone is having a good day. I hope everyone had a good morning trading today. Let me know how it's going for you all, how the morning is so far. However, we, as always, will get started with our show. So we're going to be going over to the economic calendar. So let me pull it up into the screen. So here we are. Economic calendar so far from today. We have had quite a lot of European news early this morning. So lots going on, some quite good volatility so far. Good afternoon, Chris. Thank you for joining. Just get those last messages in. And Isaac, thank you. So yeah, there was some quite good volatility this morning due to all of the news announcements, at least much better than it has been recently. So that's good news. We've had a couple of news announcements over the lunch period for the US dollar, and we also got some speeches coming out a little later, but unfortunately there's going to be after our power hour has finished. So we will get, I'm looking to see maybe 6 out of 10 for volatility today. Yeah, I'm not expecting a lot, but I'm hopeful that there's going to be some good opportunities for us to get into some trades. So we'll get to this in just a while. So far this morning we've done 6 trades. That's put us at 0.75%. So we've actually got 154 euros profit and 57 cents at this moment. As we move over to the daily strategy, we're just going to do a quick scan of the markets here and see if there's any signals. So just wait for it to come through. So there, it's finished the scan, and there's still currently no signals on my markets at the moment. Not to worry, we'll check back on that tomorrow. Moving forward, so we've got the MTX here on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So we could be about to get set up with a sell signal here on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. As we know, the New Zealand dollar, US dollar is in a very difficult situation in the market right now. Overall is in a downtrend. So hopefully we will be able to go along with our sell signal here in the next 4 minutes or so. Checking out on the gold chart, not a lot has been going on in gold. It's kind of fizzling out around the big number, so around the 1900 mark. You can see that much clearly on our other chart just here. So we've got our next chart here on the daily time frame. We see our gold was in this downtrend channel, and we've just recently actually broken out of that channel, and we've exceeded it all the way up to the big number. We did exceed the big number also. So I guess this is quite a big decision phase for the gold market, whether or not it's going to continue its progress up the charts on the bull run, or whether or not we're going to finally see one of these very deep short candles. So we can see there the market is going very short by nearly, you know, $100 each time. So we could be looking at something similar to this any day now, or we could just see a continuation in our bull run, maybe similar to what we had in, this time last year. In fact, it was this time last year that we got a super big bull run on gold, 250 points, in fact. So, you know, we could see that an annual bull run here. As we come down, so what's going on in my chart at the moment? So there was a hedge that we had from yesterday. So we had a hedge from yesterday afternoon. It wasn't in such a bad shape yesterday, but we did hedge. This morning we thought that we would give it a hedge release. Didn't turn out that great. However, as you know, always when I hedge my position, it's always the wrong time to hedge, and we would have actually have been out of our trade had we not have hedged. So yeah, those of you who are often in my live rooms, you know that quite well. So Peter, the voice is echoing, you say. Is that the same for everyone, or? I think I might have finished it now. Yep. Yes, or you might be logged into two different rooms, Peter. Not good for everyone else. Good, good, good. No, all good, all good. Sound fine. Yeah, so Peter, just check to make sure you're not logged into two rooms at the same time. So, following that